Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to renovate a house. Renovating a home is a significant investment, with typical costs ranging from $19,500 to $88,400 for most homeowners. However, this can fluctuate greatly, from $15 to $150 per square foot, depending on the project's complexity and the quality of materials chosen. For extensive luxury remodels or structural modifications, expenses can easily exceed these averages. Several key factors influence your renovation budget. The scope of work is paramount. A minor refresh costs far less than a complete structural overhaul. Material choices also play a huge role, with premium finishes significantly increasing expenses compared to more affordable alternatives. Labor costs, including general contractors and specialized trades like plumbers and electricians, often make up 50 to 65% of your total budget. Additionally, your home's size, age, and even its geographical location can impact overall expenses. Let's look at some common renovation project costs. Kitchen remodels typically range from $14,550 to $40,400, with upscale projects potentially exceeding $158,000. Bathroom renovations usually fall between $6,600 and $28,000, though luxury remodels can surpass $100,000. For a whole house renovation, expect to pay between $100 and $200 per square foot, or $40,000 to $100,000 for an average home. Even electrical upgrades can range from $150 for minor fixes to $8,000 for a full rewiring. To manage your renovation expenses effectively, start by creating a detailed budget and always include a contingency fund of 10 to 20% for unforeseen issues. Prioritize your projects. It's perfectly fine to renovate one room at a time if a full overhaul is beyond your current budget. Always get at least 3 quotes from different contractors and thoroughly research material costs to ensure you're getting the best value. For simpler tasks, consider a do-it-yourself approach to save on labor expenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.